consumers there is cars to wash construction vehicle and is investing in an automatic construction vehicle washing system really worldwide. The cost of washing construction vehicle and whether investing in an automatic construction vehicle washing system is truly worldwide is the question that many operators of construction sites, coal mines, or mine, concrete machine plant, or material handling area are concerned about. In reality, the number of trucks, dump trucks, and tanker trucks entering and leaving construction site every day is enormous, but cleaning the vehicle before leaving the site is often neglected or handled only temporarily. This is silently increasing operating costs without the operator even realizing. Imagine a typical workday at a large construction site. Trucks carrying earth, rock, ore, and cement constantly enter and exit, with mud and dirt clinging to the wheels and the carriage at the sides of the vehicle. If washing manually, you will have to deploy a large team of workers, sometimes up to 8 or 10 people, working continuously from morning to night. Each construction takes 10 to 15 minutes to wash, and even then, it's difficult to completely clean the undercarriage and wheel. By the end of the day, the worker attires efficiency decreases, and a lot of water is used, but the results are not commensurate. Not to mention, during peak hour, construction vehicles have to fuel to be washed, causing contraction and slowing down the overall process of the project. Besides labor costs, ineffective construction washes also leads to many other negative consequences. Dirty vehicle drivers onto the road, causing environmental pollution, affecting surrounding residential areas and the company's image. In many cases, business may even face warning, fines, or penalized for not meeting environmental hygiene requirements. These costs may not be immediately quantifiable in monetary terms, but in the long run, they significantly impact business operation. Because of this problem, automatic construction vehicle washing systems have emerged as a solution to have business solve multiple problems simultaneously. Instead of relying entirely on human labor, the entire vehicle washing process is automated. When a vehicle enters the system, sensors automatically detect it and activate high-pressure spray nozzle. Water is sprayed evenly across key areas, so that the side of the vehicle, wheel, and especially the undercarriage area often difficult to clean manually. In just 90 seconds to 2 minutes, a construction vehicle covered in mud or a cement can be cleaned and ready to leave the construction site. The key point here is the system stability and continuity. The machine can operate all day, serving hundreds of vehicles without being affected by fatigue like human labor. Personnel only need to supervise and guide vehicles in and out of the correct position, no longer having to directly spray and wash in strenuous, wet conditions. This significantly reduced labor costs while improving efficiency and professionalism in operation. Another factor that many businesses highly appreciate when using an automatic construction site wash system is the ability to control operating costs. The system is designed to use water, electricity, and chemical efficiently in the right amount needed of each wash. This allows for clear daily cost estimation and control. Unlike the previous situation where users didn't know how much water was used or how long the spraying was for, in the long run, this represents a significant saving, especially for construction sites with high vehicle wash frequency. Furthermore, faster and cleaner vehicle washes increase the overall operational efficiency of the construction site. When vehicles don't have to wait long to be washed, the vehicle turnover rate improves significantly. The speed of material transfer, reduce downtime, and contribute to completely the projects on or ahead of schedule. Many investors, after installing automatic washing system, have realized that the benefits lie not only in washes, but also in optimizing the entire operational process. So return to the original question. Is investing in an automatic construction site wash system worldwide? In reality, for business with a large number of vehicles entering and exiting daily, this is not an additional expense, but a long-term investment that you benefit. If you are interested in and would like to learn more about automatic control sign wash system, please contact us for the tariff tailored to your specific design condition and business needs. A timely investment decision today can save you significant cost and effort for many years to come. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.